What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the black suit Superman from the Justice League. Let's get started in the center of our page with the lower edge of the brow. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center of our page. Start on the left side. We're going to curve the brow going up and then out. Line this up on the right and do the same thing, going up and out. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow. On the left side we're going to come in and bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add a fold in between the brow, leaving a gap on the left, curve up and then down. Now we're going to thicken up the eyebrows, starting on the outside and go up and in. And we'll follow that same curve, coming in and just taper that down on the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming down towards the bottom of the eye, and just pull that up on the inside. I'm also going to add a thick ring around the outside and bottom of the eye. Starting from the top left, step in, just follow that curve coming around. I'm just going to pull that up towards the inside of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around, and then back up, and then we'll fill that outer ring in black. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw the nose. So we're going to start on the left, curve the nose coming down, and then up. And then we'll add a fold along the inside edge of the eyes. On the left, come down and out with a short line. Do the same thing on the right. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. We'll start back over on the left, curve up, and then down. And then we'll add a bracket around the corners of the mouth. Move to the center, step down, draw a straight line going across for the lower lip. Now we're going to go out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the eye, we're going to step out and draw a curve. Going down, just pull that in underneath the mouth, and then go out and then up on the right. And then we'll go back in and enhance the cheekbones. Starting on the left, come in and then down on either side. Let's go back to the side of the head and curve the hairline coming up and in. Starting on the left, go straight up, and bend that in. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll connect the top with a curve. Coming down the middle, rounding this out, and then going back up. And go back out to the side and draw in the ears. Let's start on the left side of the head, curve the ear going up, come down, and then bend that back in towards the side of the head. Line this up on the right. And then we'll add the folds inside the ear. From the top left, step down, curve up and then out. Go back to the inside, go out, and then hook that in. Let's go over towards the left side and layer the hair coming over towards the right. Start on top of the ear, go up, round this out, and then pull that in, step back out, go up, across, and then down. Now I'm going to step back and draw a curve going up and then down towards the right side point. Go up, round this out, and then come down towards that point. Let's go up to the top right, curve the head going out, come down, then in on top of the right ear. Let's add a little bit of texture along the front edge of the hair. Starting on the right, come up, bend that across, step over, another curve, draw a shorter one on the left side. Now we want to leave a gap just underneath the chin and add a straight line. Starting over on the left, straight across towards the right. Now leaving a gap in the center, go to the left, curve up and out towards the left and right side. Let's bend the edge of the cape going out towards the side. On the left, go up and then out. I'm just going to pull that up and in behind the side of the head. Let's add a fold along the bottom. On the left, curve up and out with a short line. Do the same thing on the right. Now from these 2 points, we're going to step down and draw the side of the body. Let's start on the left, out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, and bring that down towards the same height. And then from the hips, draw 2 straight angle lines coming down and in. Angle up and out towards the side of the body. And then follow that same angle line going out towards the side. I'm just going to split this in half. Along this line, come down and in. And then we'll add the buckle. From these 2 points, let's move to the center, draw a straight line going across, go up along the side, and then close off the top. And now we'll add that Superman symbol in the center of the body. Underneath this line, draw a straight line going across, and from the end, angle down and out towards the side. Let's pull this down and in towards the center of the body. Let's draw the outside edge of the S. From the top corner, we're going to step down, angle down and out, come down and in with a short line, go back up to the top, come in, and we'll connect the top and bottom with a curve, just rounding out the side and then coming down. Let's go to the top right corner, step down, come in, come down and out, and round out the top. And then from that bottom point, we'll step up, start with a point, go up and out toward the left and right, connect the ends with a curve. Let's draw the inside edge of the S along the top, starting on the left, curve up and out, and round this out, come in. I'm just going to bend that down toward the side, and close off the end. And then from the bottom left, come across and up, and round this out, go out and back up. Let's go underneath the buckle and add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up towards the toes. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. From the end, we're going to curve up, bend the foot coming down towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then we'll move back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. We're also going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. From the left side, we're going to step up, just follow the same curve of the foot, coming in towards the heel, and then from heel to toe. Now we're going to move up and draw the edge of the boot. On top of the foot, we step up, we start with a V, do the same thing on the right. Now from the outside, angle down and out, and then from the inside, angle down and in. Let's add a trim on the side of the leg. From this point, we're going to step out, curve out, and then down towards the side. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Halfway between the collar and the hip, we're going to start right here, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle with the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. And then we'll add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We curve the first finger coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, and up the second finger. And then the third finger will curve out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the cape, leaving a little overlap on the outside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the top of the thumb, add the cuff, going up and then out. Now we're going to add a few more lines across the top of the arm. Starting on the left, step up, just follow that same curve coming in, leave a gap, we're going to draw that 2 more times. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back up and finish off the cape. From this point, I'm just going to curve this out and down in behind the arm. Now the cape's going to continue underneath the hand and out toward the side. Let's start in between the first 2 fingers, come down and bend that out. And now we'll connect the ends of the cape with a curve. Coming down and in behind the leg, move in toward the center, draw another curve. And that's pretty much it. There's our black suit Superman from Justice League. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.